everybody, it's Sarah. I wanted to send a little quick video and make sure you all know how much I appreciate you and the fact that you are so freaking tough in that facility all the time, taking care of these patients when there's nobody else able to do that. I have huge respect for all of you, and I wish I was right there with you. I even curled my hair so I look like a little devil today. Look at that, just for you. Anyway, the reason I wanted to do this is I wanted you. Isn't that awful? That's hilarious. Look, your dietitian looks like the devil's own advocate today. Okay, but I wanted to send you a quick video, and I've got I put together a little handout. This situation is stressful, and COVID is yucky, and I don't know when it's going to get a whole lot better. But at the end of the day, I need you to take care of yourselves. I mean, that's kind of hard and kind of sounds kind of silly, but you got to take good care of yourselves because those people depend on you, and more so even than the nursing staff. I mean, like, you know how that is. And it's been like that for years. So please make sure you're staying hydrated and make sure you're eating your vegetables, whether you want to or not, and take care of yourself. I am sending, it's a little 2-page thing I put together. It says resiliency. And what that means is that it's just some hints to help you take care of yourself and be good emotionally. And please understand that if any of you ever want to call and talk to me because you're really wound up and you don't want anybody to know, you call me and I will answer the phone and I will talk to you and no one will know we talked. So take care of yourselves. Another video is coming for an in-service on food service sanitation during COVID. Sorry, got to be official. But I did want to send you this to let y'all know that I love you and I appreciate all the work you're doing. Lots of hugs. I wish I was there. I'd be there cooking and helping you. I would.